raining night tonight, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to talk to you the whole way through. But the next step, I've decided to go with a stencil on this. And I'm going to do one color only because it's too busy as it is. So we'll see how this turns out because the stencil itself is kind of busy. So what I do is set it down on a paper towel, and I have some stencil adhesive. You can just tape it down, but I find this works better. But you have to let it, once you spray it, you're going to want to let it set for about 20 minutes. You should be wearing a mask when you're spraying stuff. Okay, so I'm going to let that sit for a minute or two, and I'll be back. While we're waiting for that to dry, I'm going to mix up some of it's the Golden Heavy Gel Gloss. But first, I want to mix up some of this Oria from Eye Candy. It's got a super cool sparkle to it. So I want to wet that. And you could just put it right into the pigment, but I think I'm going to wet it with some GAC 100. Because GAC 100 is actually made for pigments, to make paint. So I'll put a little bit of that in here, just to wet it. Such a sparkly gold, guys. And to this, I'm going to add, I want to make sure it's all incorporated really well. These particles are a little bit coarser, so sometimes it takes a little bit more to incorporate them. Let's see if we can make a pretty painting out of this after all. Oh, you know, I was just having fun. But it is really dark in the center. So, okay, I've got that Oria mixed. I am going to mix in some iridescent gold fine from Golden. And some iridescent bright gold fine. I just want gold. Ooh, that one's thicker. It's a pretty yellow gold. And then we are going to incorporate it into the gel gloss. So I'll take the other end of my stick here, grab some gel gloss, put it down here. Gotta make sure you have enough to cover your piece, but you don't want to waste either. So I'm going to put that much, I'm guessing. And then I'm going to incorporate this paint into it. Off of here, move my canvas down, put the sticky side down, and I want to cover up that white spot right there. I know, that looks pretty centered too. And I'm just going to, whoops, didn't work out so well. Okay, I am going to take some painter's tape. Yeah, it didn't stick. It's going to help it stick because it's so detailed there. So let me get my painter's tape out. Don't want to overdo this because I want to use this for other stuff. See, there's still lots in there. All right, so I bet you it's crooked. But I'm looking at it. Oh. Oh. Still got the disease. Especially with COVID. All right. Not sure how long I'm supposed to wait. Don't think I'm supposed to wait too long. All right. It should be quite easy since it didn't stick down well to start out with. We do want to go very slowly. And then once you're finished, take your tape off and you clean off your stencil for the next time. guys think? It's not bad. I think it's better than it was. Well, it came off real nice. I kind of like it. Yeah. All right, I'm taking my tape off. Very gently. I'm gonna go wash this off. In my kitchen sink. Stencil doesn't fall apart. And I might just join those lines with a little bit of paint. I kind of like it. Let me know what you guys think. Now that I've got you in frame. Sorry. Oh, I'm not myself these days. All right. I'll be back for a close-up. All right, guys. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go in between those lines and just fill them in. But I think I like it. Yeah. You know, the camera's not picking up the sparkle I'm getting here. It's kind of crazy. There we go. Yeah. The sparkle is something else. I mean, it's... God, I wish I could zoom in on it so that it would... Oh. I'll have to show you this in a light. Or maybe I shall turn a light on. Let's try that. Yeah, it's not picking up the sparkle like yeah, well, you can kind of see it there off the... See how that sparkles? Well, it's like 10 times that on here. It's just not picking it up on my camera. Anyhow, this was fun to do. Oh, now it's picking it up. Duh. There we go. So please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe. Ciao for now. And stay dry.